Happy Friday. It is Friday, January 28th. So let's take a look at the do now. At the picture here on the right, what's going to happen when the skaters push off each other with a force of 15 newtons? Well, since it's a balanced force, most likely what's going to happen, and oh, I see a hand. What do you think? Oh yeah, that sounds great. So what we're really looking at is that when this happens, when this happens, we usually have that it isn't just about the force, but it's how hard one of the persons pushes. So it's going to depend. Probably because the person on the left has a greater mass, that they're probably going to have a larger push, even though it's got the same force. It's going to have a little bit more mass behind it. So their acceleration will be greater. The next question is, two kids are speeding down a snowy hill on a sled. Their dad uses a radar gun to track their speed. His data is shown. So 1/3, this, 2/3, bottom of the hill. Why does the speed of the sled increase as they get farther down the hill? Well, that's right, because their mass continues to accelerate faster. That's great. All right, so let's take our learning targets. I will demonstrate my understanding of forces in motion. I can calculate how unbalanced forces change the speed of the direction of an object's motion. I can differentiate between speed, velocity, and acceleration, and I can describe applications of Newton's 3 laws. Easy peasy for y'all. If you are at home, review your digital notebook first, then take the DCA. If you are in class, you're going to take the Unit 5 Force and Motion DCA that's located in Schoology. The DCA is located in the Unit 5 Force and Motion Assignments folder, the black folder. So let's take a look at that. So right here under Assignments, we're going to click on Assignments. Doesn't matter what section you're in, because they'll be published tomorrow, on Friday. There it is. It says RRISD, Force and Motion. You're going to click on that, follow the directions, and take that. It will lead you right to Performance Banners to take the test. When you are finished, make sure you go back and make sure you do the Ed puzzle, and that's above the DCA link. So let's take a look at that. Yep, there's the Ed puzzle. Let's see, crash course, Newton's laws. Yep, right there, Newton's laws, right there above it. Okay. And anytime, make sure you check your grades, make sure your digital notebook is complete, that any other missing work you have is finished, and then submit your digital notebook and the other work. So some of the other work you might want to look at is the force and motion review, and then if you're all done with that, I'm going to scoot that up. We're going to have the plate tectonics. There's an Ed puzzle explaining that. We're going to get into the Earth's changing crust. So that's something just to kind of give you an idea of where we're headed and what's going on. All right, friends, you have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday.